Listen. Are you feeling sleepy? That's why you have to take morning nap. You see, you skip morning nap. That's why you're feeling sleepy now. Hi, smile. Say cheese.